More than 3 million cases of lactose intolerance are diagnosed in the U.S. each year. The problem begins with the inability to produce lactase. That's the enzyme needed to break down lactose, the sugar found in milk or milk products. The condition is a common one, and symptoms can be very uncomfortable, causing a person with the condition to seek out lactose-free products or lactase supplements. The specialists at Advanced Gastroenterology and Surgery Associates explain what goes on inside the body of someone who is lactose intolerant and how they can help ease the symptoms.
Lactose intolerance, you see it almost more than 90% of Asians and Black populations. There is a small percentage of Caucasians who have lactose intolerance, even though they are okay with the dairy products when they were younger. But as you get older, you do see a small population of Caucasians that become lactose intolerant, so they can have abdominal discomfort, excessive bloating, diarrhea if they consume any products that has lactose in there.
When I became a teenager, I suddenly could not drink milk anymore. And when that happens, the molecule is not absorbed, so it travels through the 22 feet of the small bowel. And then along with that, it will pull the fluids along because of the osmotic pressure. The younger people tend not to present right away. Either they will deal with it, ignore it, but the older population will. So patients will come and they will say, well, I have these certain symptoms. The primary care physicians will either try a patient on medication, for example, acid. Reflux can cause very similar symptoms without the diarrhea. And if the patients return to them and say, no, we're not better, then that's when they send out to the subspecialist. If nothing else, for screening purposes, ruling out other conditions, especially when GI symptoms, when you have them, they're very hard to differentiate one condition from another because you can have very similar symptoms for different conditions.
For more information on lactose intolerance, as well as other treatments and surgical procedures available at Advanced Gastroenterology and Surgery Associates, please click the Living Without Lactose story link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.